All right, everyone, here we go. It's a cold start video on the 1996 Mazda Efini RX7 Type RS. It's pretty nice out, so let's see what this thing does. Put the key in now, should be good. Shut that. Check that. The gauge is firing up, and here we go. There we go, yep. See, fires right up, and I got the hood up also right away, so I can show you guys the engine in a second. I'll show you this first, as you can see. Light it right up, I see, settle down, nice. The gauge is working, they're blinking because they're LEDs, and of course it's on camera, so they don't come up quite right. So you can see all the gauges still working. Okay, so let me get inside real quick. It's a little windy today, but there you go. So you can see no smoke or anything out the exhaust. Nothing behind anywhere else either. You know, that blew out at the start, so it doesn't smoke at all. And here we go. Everything's working. Starts running. And there you go, the idle just settle down once you warm up a little bit. No crazy noises. Sorry about the wind, but see, that's crazy. Now let's settle down, nice idle, until it fully warms up. There you go, everybody. Nice quick cold start video of the 96 Mazda Efini RX7 Type RS. This thing is sweet, and it's quick.